back again. Hey everybody. It is June 1st. I feel like we've been home for a long time. And I really, really miss coming to class. So, hope you guys are all doing really great. You guys are putting a lot of time and effort in on all this stuff. So I'm really proud of you guys. And I know it's hard at home, but we have a few more weeks to go here and let's try to keep going and doing really well. So today's assignment, two things. You are going to watch a video about a major battle during the war called the Battle of Antietam. 22,000 people died in the Battle of Antietam in one day. So it was a terrible, terrible battle. Both sides lost about 12 and 10,000. In the middle of the night, the South pulls out, so the North is going to claim victory, even though they lost 12,000 men. Because the South pulls out in the middle of the night, the North wins. The North claims this as a major victory for themselves. And it's a big change. It's a little bit of a turning point. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch the 4-minute video, and then there are 3 questions. This whole assignment should take you about 10 minutes. The second thing you're going to do is, after this major battle, the Battle of Antietam, President Lincoln is going to make a major announcement, a major change in policy. It's called the Emancipation Proclamation. The word emancipation means to set free. He is going to tell people in the United States, I will set free all slaves in rebelling states. Let's think about that. Can he actually free a rebelling state slave? No, he can't, because they're at war. But he now is going to make the entire war about slavery. And what's going to happen is, after the war, he's going to have to end slavery. If this war comes to an end, he is going to have to free all the slaves in all of America. So that he's making a big proclamation here. He also is going to allow blacks to join the war effort. And hundreds of thousands are going to join. 180,000 are going to join almost immediately within 6 months. And those soldiers helped turn the tide of the war. There's a great movie about these soldiers called Glory. It's about the 54th Massachusetts Regiment. It's a little, there's a couple battle scenes, but it is an excellent movie. The movie's called Glory. So these are the 2 slides you're going to be handing in tomorrow. So it's a total of 5 questions. Okay. So pretty simple. All right. Pretty simple. All right. So you guys are doing awesome. And let's think of the trivia question of the day. This is a very tough one. Old school. What movie story is about the Jamaican bobsled team? Now that's pretty crazy, right? Why would the Jamaicans have a bobsled team? Well, it is a true story. What Disney-made movie, talks about the Jamaican bobsled team that competed in the Winter Olympics? Check it out. All right. See you guys tomorrow.